In Lesson 5.4, we'll look at the example, will Patty pass the pop quiz? And in this example, we'll be finding cumulative binomial probabilities. To introduce her class to binomial distributions, Mrs. Desai does the pop quiz activity from Lesson 5.3, page 348, with her class. Each student in the class guesses an answer from A through E on each of the 10 multiple choice questions. She then determines the correct answer for each of the 10 questions randomly so that A, B, C, D, or E was equally likely to be chosen. Let X equal the number of correct answers that a student gets on the quiz. The probability distribution of X is shown here. So you can see the number the students can get correct from 0 up through 10 and the probabilities corresponding with each of those. Patty's one of the students in the class, and we want to find the probability that Patty gets more than 2 correct answers. So we're talking about her getting more than 2, and X can be the number that she gets correct, anywhere from 0 up to 10, then what we want is we want to look at the probability of 3 through 10. So one way we can do this is by adding up these 8 probabilities, 3 through 10, and using, or what we could do is use the complement rule, which would let us find less probabilities. We'd only have to find the probability of 0, 1, and 2. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to use the complement rule, which allows me to then say that the probability of X being greater than 2 is 1 minus the probability of X being less than or equal to 2. So now what I can do is I can take 1 and subtract off these 3 probabilities, as opposed to adding up 8 different probabilities. Both would give you the correct answer of 0.3222. If you'd like more practice with cumulative binomial probabilities, please try exercise 5.